Good evening, sir. Welcome to Talis Hotel. I am Joseph Tawanan and I will be your personal butler during your stay. May I assist you with your luggage? Yes, please thank you. You're welcome, sir. But before anything else, may I know if there are anything fragile or variable things on your luggage? Nothing. Very well, sir. Please allow me to escort you to our front desk for checking.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Talas Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, under the name of Crislaras Lamas.
Thank you, Mr. Balmes. Can I please see your identification card? Thank you, Mr. Balmes. You will be staying at the single bedroom. Breakfast is included. You will be served at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here are your room keys. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Please wait, sir. Allow me to escort you to your room. While on our way, let me introduce you to our hotel facilities. Our swimming pool is located on 5th floor. Our fitness center is located at 3rd floor. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
This is your room, sir. May I have your key card to open your room? Welcome to your room, sir. Allow me to briefly familiarize you with the room feature. This is your key card from the room. The air conditioning control is located beside the entrance. The television remote is beside on table. And this is your wardrobes that you can put your clothes in. Room service is available 24 hours through extension. If you need housekeeping, please dial 123 for housekeeping department. If you wish, I can assist you unpacking your luggage.
Yes, please.
The clothing has been arranged. Would you like me to prepare any garment for laundry service?
No, thank you.
Very well, sir. May I also arrange your wake-up call, restaurant's reservation, airport transportation, coffee or tea service, extra pillow or blanket?
I like to wake up call at 6:30 a.m.
Certainly, your wake-up call has been noted. 6:30 a.m. in the morning. May I know if anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all.
It's been my pleasure. If you need something, just call 123 for guest service. Good morning, sir. May I come in? I understand that you are checking out. May I assist you packing your luggage?
Yes, please.
Your belonging has been packed. May I assist you to the front desk?
Yes, please.
Allow me to assist you with your luggage to your vehicle.
Yes, please.
Please take a moment to verify that all your belongings has been loaded.
Everything is complete.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you for choosing Thales Hotel. It's been my pleasure serving you. We are looking forward to welcome you again. Have a nice trip, sir.
Thank you very much.